Welcome back to another episode of Telegram Files, your go-to series for uncovering money-making Telegram channels. Today I'm diving into FX Academy Airdrops and Mining, a Telegram group that shares free airdrop and crypto mining updates to boost your earnings. I'll drop the group's link in the description below. If you're wondering what's an airdrop, it's a free distribution of cryptocurrency tokens to wallet addresses, often for completing simple tasks. Let's explore some of the latest updates in the group. FX Academy Airdrops and Mining posts regular updates on airdrops and mining opportunities. For most airdrops, you complete easy tasks like joining a community or downloading an app and get paid in the project's crypto token. You can then convert those tokens to USDT or cash out. Take the Grass airdrop, for example. Their Grass token is already trading above $1, as you can see from the exchange rate here. You'll need to download their app to participate. Another hot airdrop is Matchchain, with its token also valued above $1. Let's scroll through the group to show you more of these active airdrop updates. This group is perfect for beginners and crypto enthusiasts, looking to earn without investing much upfront. As always, a quick disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research. Crypto airdrops and mining involve risks, so only participate with what you can afford to lose. If you're finding value in Telegram Files and want to support the series, you can donate to the USDT address in the description. It helps keep these videos coming. Thanks for watching this episode of Telegram Files. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell to catch every money-making channel in this playlist. See you in the next one.